Hello, this is Jim. Thanks for visiting my channel, Off Grid Living with the Bennetts. So, yes, it's a hot day today, that's for sure. Flies are out. It's really warm. My question for you is, have you taken your flag down yet? There's my flag. I live in Canada. I'm proud of my country. I don't know where you live. The States, Germany, Russia, Ukraine, Ireland, Greece, I don't know. But my question is, have you taken your flag down yet? Why have you not taken that flag down? My pet peeve is when I go down the road and I see these flags that are all torn, ragged, hanging, twisted, and tangled up. I'm patriotic. My wife is patriotic. I live off grid, but I still hang my flag because I'm proud of my country. If your flag is torn and it's ragged and everybody drives by your house, sees that thing standing there, all hanging, what does it say about you? If you're patriotic enough to put a flag up, it gets torn, it's falling apart, then you need to be patriotic enough to take that thing down. Put up a new flag. Show how proud you are of your country. It doesn't matter what country it is. Are you proud of your country? Are you proud of where you live? The accomplishments that you've made? The accomplishments of your country? Vets that have fought in wars for your country? If you're proud of your country, take care of your flag. When people drive down the street and they see your flag and it's blowing in the wind and it looks like that, it just goes to show them how patriotic you are. Thanks for visiting my channel, Off Grid Living with the Bennetts. And I'm not doing too much with videos right now because it's just way too hot. So, just relaxing, chilling in the house, watching some movies, turning into a couch potato, I guess. Flies everywhere. There's not hardly a breeze. Well, there's a little bit of a breeze right now. Probably tonight I'm gonna have a campfire. But anyways, take care of your flag. It's just a nice thing to do. Anyways, you have a great day, and we'll talk to you in the next video.